Riot account login, Riot login, Riot Games. If you want to log into your Riot account or your Riot Games, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then actually open up your browser. Then you want to simply go to riotgames.com. Once you go to riotgames.com, this is the kind of interface that you'll actually see. Now from here, just tap on the three lines option located at the top right hand side, and over here you want to simply go to this bottom red option that says sign in. So once you go to the sign in option right here, it will take you to this page. Now all you have to do is to simply make sure to enter the username associated with your Riot Games account. Then you want to make sure to go ahead and then enter your password, right? If you're not sure what password you typed in, you can tap on this I button on the right hand side to view what password you're currently typing in. If you want to stay signed in, you can select that and just hit this little arrow icon to log in. Now another way is if you had actually linked your Riot Games account with either Facebook, Google, Apple, PlayStation or Xbox, then you'll also be able to directly log in using those options there. And this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically log into our Riot Games. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.